Stelrad offers the most comprehensive range of low-surface temperature radiators. We'd like to introduce you to the LSTi Plus, the latest model in the Stelrad range. LSTs are specially designed to provide comfortable heat, but in a radiator whose casing never exceeds 43 degrees centigrade, this makes them safe to touch. Let's take a closer look at how to fit one. You might think fitting a radiator with a cover might be complex and need special skills and specialist tools. Not Stelrad's LSTs. Here we see the installer unwrapping the Stelrad LSTi Plus radiator from its purpose-designed packaging. This ensures it arrives in pristine condition and is ready to be fitted within seconds of coming out of its box. He removes the heat emitter, the radiator and the casing, and all the components he needs to fit the radiator to the wall and the pipework, including the integral TRV, the thermostatic radiator valve that allows you to control the temperature of the room. The heat emitter is separately wrapped, and he puts this to one side, ready to fit shortly. All the components he needs to fit the LST are in the plastic pouch that comes with the radiator. There are clear instructions. Perfect if he hasn't fitted one before. There are no special tools needed to fit the emitter or the casing, just the supplied Allen key to fit the front of the casing to the frame once the installation is complete. Otherwise, it's as simple and quick to install as any normal radiator. Here, he offers the casing to the wall and immediately sees that it fits flush, ensuring it can be fitted safely and quickly. He simply screws the casing and the mounting brackets to the wall. It's a straightforward task, and it's worth noting that the casing is reversible to suit incoming connections from either side of the casing. In this instance, the pipework comes in on the left. Next, he takes the emitter out of the packaging, checking it carefully as he does so. Again, he has all the components he needs for the job. He removes the protective blocks from the emitter before fitting it. Then, he fits the valve connectors, the air vent and the plug to the ends of the emitter, just as you would any radiator. There's nothing different about fitting a Stelrad LST from fitting a normal radiator. It's very straightforward. Then he offers the emitter up to the interior of the case, where it sits happily, ready to be connected. Once the emitter has been installed in the case, a cleverly designed retaining bracket slides down from the top of the casing to hold it firmly in place. The installer simply tightens all the connections inside the case finger tight before tightening them with an adjustable spanner. Then the connectors at the bottom of the emitter. Having tightened all the connections inside the casing, he then connects the copper pipework from the heating system to the radiator using the compression fittings provided. The LST range is suitable for either copper or steel piping and is able to withstand 10 bar of static pressure. It's an extremely safe product range designed to provide heat for vulnerable people. After checking for leaks and bleeding the system, the installer can now attach the front of the casing, the kick grill, and then he simply has to fix the front of the casing to the frame using the supplied Allen key. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward installation, and it's finished in antibacterial paint, so no germs can live on it if it's touched or has anything spilt on it. The arthritic adapter helps anyone who has difficulty turning knobs to adjust the heat level simply by pushing the TRV dial gently in one direction or the other. And there you have it, an attractive radiator that's safe to touch. There's a choice of 72 different models and an excellent warranty too. If you want to know more, simply go to www.stelrad.com and take a closer look at the range of LST radiators available. It's the most comprehensive range of quality LST radiators you'll find anywhere.